This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your browser and system are up to date so the extension installs cleanly. Open the browser's extension or add-on store, search for Ublock Origin, and choose the verified developer listing. Click Install or Add and then pin the extension to your toolbar so you can access settings quickly. Once done, click the Ublock icon to confirm it shows a counter. That confirms basic installation and prepares you to configure filter lists and site-specific rules next. Open the Ublock Origin dashboard and go to the Filter Lists tab to enable the recommended sets. These block common ads and trackers automatically. Add regional or language filters if you need locale-specific coverage, and enable privacy and anti-malware third-party lists to tighten protection. Then visit settings to choose your default blocking mode. Medium or strict gives stronger filtering, and enable advanced user features only if you intend to create custom rules. Make sure to repair or update lists periodically to keep protection current. Now refine behavior using the element picker to hide persistent elements and generate cosmetic filters for specific sites. That improves layout without disabling protection. If a site needs full functionality, click the big power button to temporarily disable Ublock for that domain and then hard refresh the page. If pages break unpredictably, purge the cache and local rules, update your filter lists, and try toggling advanced privacy features off. One key troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, disable custom rules and update filters before deeper debugging to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.